Hi tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our tech. Today we're going to go ahead and review the Boat Wave Sigma 3. Now this is an affordable smartwatch that offers a range of features typically found in higher priced models. Priced at around $1,499, it provides excellent value for money. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright, so let's see what do we have here. Here we have the charging cable, so USB charging cable. We have some readable material, QR code. One is a user manual. Okay, and here we have the watch. Okay, it says both smartwatches. Alright, so here we have the watch, and here we go. Okay, and we switch it on. Okay, so I'll go ahead and set this up. Alright, so we've gone ahead and unboxed this. Watch looks pretty nice. It's got a nice big screen. Now the smartwatch features a 2.01-inch HD LCD display with vibrant colors and crisp resolution, ensuring clear visibility. The design includes a plastic case with a simple side button and comfortable silicone straps which are easily replaceable. Now despite its lightweight build, the watch maintains a sturdy feel and is IPX7 rated for water and sweat resistance. Now the unique features, one standout feature is the turn-by-turn navigation that allows users to receive directions directly on the wrist. This function is facilitated through the Crest app and utilizes maps. Additionally, the watch offers live sports scores, enabling users to stay updated on cricket and football matches in real time. Now the Watch Face Studio provides customization options, allowing users to design personalized watch faces and preferred widgets and backgrounds. Now going to the health and fitness tracking, the Boat Wave Sigma 3 includes standard health monitoring features such as heart rate and SpO2 tracking along with sleep monitoring. Now it supports multiple sport modes to track various physical activities with detailed statistics available through the companion app. How about battery life? Now it's equipped with a 230 milliamp battery. The smartwatch offers up to 5 days of usage on a single charge, depending on usage patterns. It charges fully in approximately 1 hour using the provided magnetic charger. Conclusion is that the Boat Wave Sigma 3 stands out in the budget smartwatch segment by offering features like turn-by-turn navigation, live sports updates, which are uncommon at this price point. Its combination of large display, customizable watch faces, and comprehensive health tracking makes it a compelling choice for those seeking a feature-rich smartwatch without a hefty investment. Alright, so thank you for joining us in this unboxing and review. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and subscribe for more tech insights. And drop your questions about the watch. And until next time, stay tech savvy.